fucking ruin a perfectly beautiful race car? A squeaky belt.
So now with the electric power steering stuff becoming more and more common in drifting, on JZs when you start to delete a lot of the accessories like your AC compressor and your power steering pump, you're pretty much stuck with only one style of belt routing, which is a square, which sucks because you only have a quarter revolution basically around each accessory, which makes it do that. So our guys at Heintz Manufacturing made this bracket here, which basically gives you a dummy pulley where your power steering pump used to be. So we're gonna pop this bad boy on there. Comes with that, comes with the hardware, comes with the spacer, and it even comes with the belt. Heintz Manufacturing bracket is available on drifthq.com and is available for your KRC pump for electric power steering pumps. It's made out of billet aluminum. It's really easy to install.
Chris got it done in under 5 minutes. Very fast.
Now the end result you get